If you've never had Obbattu before, you're missing out on one of India's most comforting sweets. It's a traditional flatbread stuffed with a sweet and soft filling, and the texture is pure magic. Think chewy, sweet, and golden. Making authentic Uttar Karnataka-style Obbattu takes time, but it's worth every second. It starts with the dough, or chana, made from all-purpose flour, turmeric, and a generous pour of oil. This dough-to-oil ratio, that's the key to pliability. The filling, or hurnu, is bursting with flavor. It's made from chana dal, jaggery, and a hint of green cardamom. The ratio here is critical. Go with 1:1 dal to jaggery. Too little jaggery? No magic. Too much? It oozes. Here's the pain point. The dough sticks like a needy friend, while the filling breaks apart like it hates commitment. The solution? Use banana leaves or parchment paper and oil it generously while pressing the dough flat. Step 1 is cooking your chana dal until it's perfectly soft but not mushy. Drain it well. Keyword: any extra moisture will turn your filling into a runny disaster. Trust me, it happens. Blend the cooked drained dal into a smooth paste. Stir in powdered jaggery over low heat until it melts and thickens. Add a pinch of cardamom for that warm, aromatic kick. Your house will smell divine. Pro tip: don't rush this or it turns gritty. Now the dough. Knead all-purpose flour, turmeric, and oil into soft, smooth elasticity. The dough is as important as the filling. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Resting time isn't optional. It builds texture. To assemble, take a golf ball-sized piece of dough, flatten it slightly, and stuff it with the same size ball of hurnu. Seal it like you're tucking away secrets, then flatten gently without punching holes. Gentle wins here. Now comes the cooking. Heat a skillet and carefully place your stuffed Obbattu on it. Fry with a touch of ghee, flipping until golden brown and slightly puffed. That ghee lick? Non-negotiable indulgence. The first bite? It's soft from the dough, sweet from the filling, and crisp around the edges from that perfectly fried outer layer. Pair it with warm milk and you won't need dessert for days. Or hours. Who am I kidding? Pro tip for leftover enthusiasts: Obbattu keeps well for up to 3 days at room temperature. Heat it on a skillet for a few seconds, add a drizzle of ghee, and it's like reliving the first bite all over again. Obbattu is more than food. It's childhood memories in a bite, a recipe handed down like treasure. Whether it's for a festival or a quiet Sunday in your Portland kitchen, it's worth mastering. Give it one afternoon, you won't regret it.